Hey guys, hi. Good news for those who love broad diversification, just like I do. Let me remind you, earlier I created a special index that consists of 11 trading bots. All these trading bots are on different accounts and give me weekly trading results. I combine them together and create this kind of index of their total performance. The point is, if we use just one trading bot, then we depend solely on the performance of a single tool that we put on the trading account, and it trades weekly. But as we know, all trading bots eventually go into a drawdown. And we depend on the performance of just one algorithm. If you combine 11 trading bots together, the profitability chart will be much smoother. This is essentially how any hedge fund operates in the financial market. So in that index I created earlier, it consists of 11 trading bots. And many users who want to replicate my trading results and create something like a small hedge fund on their personal computer say that 11 trading bots is just too many. Because first of all, they simply don't have enough capital to buy these trading bots. Secondly, they don't have enough capital to provide each trading bot on each trading account with the necessary amount of money. That's why they say create some kind of mini index with far fewer trading bots, but one that still works as a diversified product. You asked for it, I made it. I created a mini index that consists of 5 trading bots. And here is its profitability chart. Its profitability chart, of course, is different from the chart I have on my main index. But this index, in my opinion, is growing even better than the main intraday soft index, because I selected only the very best products for it. And now I'll give a brief overview of these products that are included in this index. I'll try to describe each one of them. Let's start with the shackle system. This system operates simultaneously using 2 trading strategies, trend and counter trend. That is, one block in this advisor trades independently of the other block on the trend. The other block works on reversals, price movements, and returns to the average price value. Its profitability chart looks as follows. Here is this kind of growth chart. The second trading bot is called Vertigo, and it operates in low volatility conditions. It has a built-in filter that prevents it from trading when the market is highly volatile. This bot compensates for the previous bot, which prefers volatility. When the previous bot is silent and not trading, when the market is calm, Vertigo steps in. Its growth chart looks like this. As you can see, it is currently in an active growth phase. Whereas the previous bot, let me show you now. The previous bot is currently experiencing a small trading drawdown. So you can already see how diversification works. While one is in a drawdown, the other is making money. Let's get back to the index. Another trading bot is Swing Master, which in fact has been running for a long time already, but recently I gave it a good update and completely changed its logic. And now its profitability chart looks like this. You see, it's completely different from the previous 2 bots. It looks like this, with these kinds of jagged edges. By using stop-loss orders to protect capital, it gives us good growth. This system works on mean reversion, only on mean reversion, and uses my proprietary indicator, a swing of price reversal. Let's move on. Here we have SharkFX. SharkFX is also a good bot, which has this kind of smooth profitability chart. At the moment, it basically trades without any significant drawdowns, but during this period, it is moving sideways in a horizontal flat, so its overall profitability performance chart is also distinctly and significantly different from the previous 3, and of course, it will effectively serve to compensate for the performance of the previous 3 trading bots. This strategy is known as scalping, and it involves a trading bot that operates continuously 24 hours a day on intraday volatility, and 4, bot 5, or rather, the bot is the flash scalper. The flash scalper has this kind of profitability chart. As you can see, if the previous bot was in a sideways stage. Profitability chart. Look, let me show you what I mean. If here we have almost no growth, at the moment, over the last couple of weeks, let's say, we haven't had any profitability. No profit, no loss. Basically, we closed the previous month just slightly above zero, and now we've earned not very much at the beginning of May. During this time, Flash Scalper, as you can see, was steadily increasing the deposit and providing us with stable profit. The profitability chart also grows in little spikes, in waves, because it uses, of course, a stop loss as protection for each trade. But unlike the previous bot, its profitability chart is currently in a growth phase. In this way, these 5 trading bots complement each other well. Flash Scalper is a scalper that also trades on intraday volatility. What is good about all these 5 products? They use stop loss protection for every trade. That is, in each trade, the risk of capital loss is very small. The profit to loss ratio, that is the size of the take profit and stop loss order, is 1:1. So a single losing trade will not wipe out the profit you earned over the previous week. This is also a good thing, and there is another very important characteristic of these products. Each of these systems is designed to operate using very safe strategies. They function strictly without ever employing risky martingale techniques, without utilizing any complex grid order systems, and they completely avoid the use of any deceptive mathematical tricks. For example, consider the strategy of doubling the next trade immediately after a loss. Some automated bots from other sellers often use a hidden martingale system. I personally do not utilize any of these schemes. This is completely transparent, secure, and safe trading practices. And the 5 specialized trading bots consistently generate and deliver significantly different trading results. As I demonstrated to you earlier, the profitability chart of these 5 trading bots looks like this. This is how I have been running this mini index since January, and at the moment it has grown and continues to grow. This is how it looks, as you can see, with minimal trading drawdowns. And almost every week we make a profit. This is the most important thing I was trying to achieve. When creating this index, the goal was to ensure that their total trading drawdown did not exceed 5%. A 5% drawdown. That's almost nothing, as they say, because most products on the financial market trade with much larger drawdowns. Overall, trading drawdown is controlled through money management, the capital management block. And if you are comfortable with a 10% trading drawdown and want more aggressive growth, you simply increase the turnover. In the money management block, and the trading bots will use a larger lot size for each trade. And roughly speaking, from the beginning of January, in that case, the index would have grown twice as much. More. But I'm not chasing quick money. I want stable growth with minimal trading drawdown. Guys, right now you can buy these 5 trading bots on my website intradaysoft.com with a 50% discount if you purchase them as a bundle of 5 products. This way you can create a small hedge fund of 5 trading bots right on your personal computer. You will invest your capital in them and receive capital growth. That's how it works. The target growth is about 1% per week. So in 4 weeks you get 4%, and in a year you get about 50% growth of your capital, with a maximum drawdown of 5%. If you want higher profitability, for example 100% capital growth, you simply increase it. The size of the trading risk in the settings of each expert advisor presented here in the index, and you get 100% capital growth, meaning you double your capital annually with a maximum drawdown of about 10%. So guys, that's how it works. Visit my website on the internet, soft.com. You can choose the contacts menu to send me a message and ask about the nuances of how this mini index works, or go straight to the online store to purchase these 5 trading bots and create your own mini index on your computer. I guarantee an update for each expert advisor every 6 months so that it matches the latest market changes. I update both the logic itself as well as the settings for all the experts. And of course, I provide assistance with installing these trading bots on users' accounts. So guys, all the best. I wish you good profits, and this is not goodbye.